Folks, here is a HESSTON Model 530 round baler. This baler makes a 39-inch wide by up to 52-inch tall bale. It does have the brackets for the gathering wheels on the front, just need 2 rubber teeth. They sell those all over the place. They're not hard to get. We did repair a few of the belts and change the routing because the way it was routed when we got them, it was just routed wrong. So we changed that. I'm guessing they were having a little trouble with the baler, is probably why they sold it, and should be fixed now. I don't see any bearings out. It looks to be in real good shape. We're going to have it for sale right here. If you guys have any questions, just give one of us a call.